Shrimp crosses cultures because it cooks fast and tastes expensive. On farms, oxygen and water quality decide everything. Growth is engineered, feed mills, formulas, and constant monitoring. Harvest is a race against spoilage. Chill locks freshness before bacteria can sprint. At sea, crews wash, sort, and chill before the sun can warm the catch. Cold chain begins on the boat, not at the factory. Transport stays near freezing, minute by minute. Export lots face checks for residues, contamination, and compliance. Now it's not just food, it's international cargo. Once the doors open, the clock starts all over again. Receiving is security, temperature, and speed. If the core warms up, quality collapses fast. Lots are separated before a single shrimp touches the line. Quality sampling happens first, before volume. In the lab, they hunt what you can't see. First wash strips mud, algae, and loose debris. Agitation cleans without crushing delicate flesh. Water moves shrimp fast, without warming them. Grading standardizes cooking, peeling, and pack weights. Human eyes still catch what machines miss. For many products, the head comes off first, fast and uniform. Peeling is pressure, timed, and alignment. Nothing stops the line. Waste is removed continuously. Deveining is precision cleaning. Fast, but not sloppy. Rinse water is controlled, because water can contaminate too. Some raw packs get a quick dip to keep color stable in the freezer. Moisture control prevents clumps and protects pack weight accuracy. Oven feeding keeps cooking and freezing consistent. One factory makes multiple SKUs: raw, peeled, cooked, export sealed. Cooking is controlled heat, enough to set texture, not enough to dry it. That color change is chemistry and timing. They verify cook targets constantly, batch by batch. Chilling stops cooking instantly. Texture is preserved here. Before freezing, they strip off free water. IQF only works if shrimp freeze individually. This is where time compresses, minutes into months of shelf life. If they clump, the freeze wasn't fast enough. Glazing is a protective shell of ice. Thin, controlled, intentional. They refreeze immediately, so the glaze becomes armor. Some markets want shell-on. Appearance matters as much as taste. Portions are measured by machines built for speed and accuracy. Packaging is a second preservation step, keeping oxygen and moisture out. Vacuum sealing turns a fragile food into stable cargo. A bad seal ruins everything, so they watch this moment obsessively. Cooked products need the same discipline: chill, freeze, portion, seal. Less air means less oxidation and better texture months later. Redundancy is the point. Export standards demand it. Weight control protects both the buyer and the brand. Nothing gets close enough, it gets corrected. Cleaning isn't afterthought, it's scheduled into production. Export cartons are built for compression, frost, and travel abuse. From pond and ocean to a frozen, sealed product the world can trust.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using VO3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.